Yeah, I hope you can feel the energy at least, right? And like I say, we come a long way today to play for you. So we want to make sure that everybody feels good out there. That everybody, every single person in the place feels right. That every single person is connected to every single person up here on the stage, right? We're all in this together to try and lift the level, the energy level up. In these times, right? We come in peace and love, right? How you feel out there now? We're gonna do our best.
Your mind, your mind,